Today we will be covering GoalSeek. GoalSeek is a super useful function within Excel. It basically determines an input's value for a specific goal, or in other words, it adjusts a certain variable for you to find a specific solution. So basically GoalSeek does all the math for you, so you don't have to do any guess and check work or do any other math. So let's say basically what we're going to do today is I'm going to kind of cover how to use GoalSeek, and then I'm going to quickly go over two other examples that I already have set up. But let's say we sell pies. Alright, so we own a pie shop. We sell each pie for $20, but it costs $5 to make, right? So essentially we make $15 profit per pie. So that's our profit per unit, right? So then um, let's say that we sell 30 pies in a day. Alright, so we want to know our total profit for the day. Alright, so obviously we would just take the quantity times the profit per pie, and we get $450. Let's put this into currency real quick. So we would make $450 that day if we sold 30 pies, profiting $15 each. Alright, that makes sense? Alright, so essentially where GoalSeek comes in is, let's say that we want to increase our profit to, let's say, like 400, right? But we don't want to just continually guess and check, like, oh, 50, oh, no, that's too many, 40, oh, that gets to 600, and so on, right? So basically what GoalSeek will do is do all the math for you. So the easiest way to get to GoalSeek is just type it up in here, and it'll bring up this what if analysis. Click on that, and it'll bring up Scenario Manager, GoalSeek, and Data Table. So just hit GoalSeek, and it'll bring up GoalSeek for you. So it'll want you to set a specific cell. So this is the cell we want to. So this is basically asking for the cell you want to change. And something important is the cell you want to change needs to be a formula. It can't just be an inputted number. So we want to set this cell, which is the formula profit times quantity, or profit per unit times the quantity, to get the total profit. Let's say we want to make $5,000. And let's say we want to do that by changing the quantity of our pies. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And it will automatically calculate that we need to sell 333.333 pies in order to make a total profit of $5,000. So super simple. GoalSeek is a super easy tool to use, super simple. Alright, so let's go on to another example here. So here we have, for the last 6 years, our recorded salary, the percentage of that salary that we put into our savings, and the total savings based off the percentage in our salary, to have a total over the last 6 years of $16,250 to our savings. So let's say we want to use GoalSeek and we want to change that. Let's say we want this number to be a little higher. So what if analysis, GoalSeek. Let's say we want to set our total savings to, we want to have $50,000 in our total savings, right? And let's say that we want to change that by changing the percent we saved in 2020. So we'll hit OK, and it'll calculate that in order to get to $50,000, we need to save 61% of that salary that year, or $36,750 to get to $50,000. Alright, super simple. GoalSeek, awesome. Alright, so let's move on to our last example here real quick. And in this example, basically what this math is saying, this is using a future value. So it's saying that if we save $100 a month at an investment rate of 8% per year for the next 30 years, we will have $150,000 approximately in our savings when we retire. That's not a lot in our savings, so let's say we want to make that bigger. Alright, so let's go to GoalSeek. Let's say we want to change this number, so the amount we have when we retire, let's say we want to change that to $2 million. We'll do that by saying we want to change the payment amount per month. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And it'll calculate that if we save $1,342, well, this number, very, very exact, but rounded to $1,342 for 30 years at 8% per year, compounded monthly, we will have $2 million by the time we retire in 30 years. All right, so just super quick, super simple. Hopefully that makes a lot of sense to you. GoalSeek is super easy to use, but it's like a super nice tool, so you can avoid doing more math or just guess and check work. It calculates exactly. It calculates the variable exactly for you. All right, go ahead and give this video a quick like, a comment if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe for future content. All right, thanks. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.